This luggage rack has proven to be exactly what I need in order to keep luggage and clothes off the floor. There's so many great features about it. I love that it's made of this high quality wood. This is nice and able to move here, so I can just put my luggage directly on here. One other thing I really love about this is it's got this extra shelf down here, so I can easily put either dirty clothes or shoes on here. And if I don't want to use it, I can click it and it'll stay up nicely just like that. It's also really easy to just fold up when you don't want to use it. And again, I love that this piece clicks in here and it stays really nicely. Now I can just go hide this away in a closet or set it up next to a wall so I don't have to worry about it. All in all, I love this. I actually bought a 2-pack of them so that my husband and I could each have one when we're traveling here. Easy to use, easy to store away, and does exactly what I need it to do. Highly recommend these luggage racks.